So what drew me to studying the relationship between carceral systems and schools is because as a teacher, I really had to confront the ways that I sustain some of the logics that we see that sustain prisons. And I saw that those came up for me intentionally and unintentional ways when I would discipline children. And so I wanted to go into studying it so I can think of what are the other nuanced ways that we can go about disrupting some of those harmful logics. Hi, my name is Alexandrea Henry, and I'm a PhD candidate in education, and I'm from Sacramento, California. What led me to pursue graduate study here at Stanford is, number one, the full funding packages were really important to me because I knew that I did not want to go into debt for my graduate degree. So thanks, Stanford. And number two is there's a race inequality and language and education program in my graduate school, and that was really important to me that I'm in a program that allows me to study that. Right now, the number one thing that inspires me about my work is that I work with children, and so in doing so, I have learned to listen differently and slow down and really parse through thinking about what it is that children are actually saying and what are the real world's larger social implications. And it's taught me to be really humble and intentional with how I listen. So a piece of advice, take notes, is that if the worst outcome, if the worst thing that can happen is that you hear a no, then I think it's worth going for. So I think apply for the grants, reach out to the professor, take the chance. And if the worst thing that happens is you get a rejection or you hear a no, then I think it's worth exploring.